What is this itty bitty little baby Boxycharm box all about? Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wago stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what I received in the December base box, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. What, pray tell, is this little guy? This arrived a couple days before this, and I honestly thought this was my base box, and I was like, WTF. First of all, it weighs like nothing. It's super tiny, and I'm wondering if this is the item I purchased with my charms, which I've only done twice in my entire Boxycharm career, and one was last month, but they didn't send it in a little cute box like that. Okay, enough rambling. Only one way to find out what's in that box is to open her up. My base box is smaller than many I've received, but it weighs a good amount. I'm confused, but you know, other than opening it up, there's only one way to find out. And for anyone who stumbled across my channel, why, thank you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment while you're here. What is Boxycharm, you may ask? It is a beauty subscription, which just went up in price. I'm going to round up the penny. It's 28 bucks a month. You get 5 full-size products, and you get to, if you pay attention and log on in time, you get to select one of the items. All right, where's the card? Here it is. All right, what is the theme? A gift of glam, and I am iteration, really long number right there. All right, first item. What is this? Ooh, it's very light, but I think I know what this is. Yes, this is from Benefit Cosmetics. It says new shade, Georgia, I assume peach. There's a peach on the top. Ooh, and it comes with a little brush. And it is a very peachy blush. Interesting packaging. I was aware of this product because I think, correct me if I'm wrong or leave a comment, didn't some people get this last month maybe? Or am I getting this box so late in the month I've already seen someone unbox this? All right, I'm super excited. Let's do a swatch. Ooh, that feels so buttery soft. All right, so it's very light, very soft. I love it. I don't know what it's going to pick up on camera. All right, so it's right there. Holy cow, this little guy. The packaging is much thicker than the actual product, is pretty deep down in there. $30. So glad I have it in my life via a subscription box. Don't know how that I would ever spend that on my own. All right, next item. Feel a squeezy tube. What is this? It looks like something from Mudmasky. Yes. This is the Mineral-Infused Double Cleansing Mask. All right. I'm always curious when they say the word mask, but they said cleansing. I'm a lazy girl. I will not leave something on my face. What a waste of water. Yada, yada. What does the card have to say? I haven't even gotten to the part where the card says how to use this or what this does. It's $59. Dang, girl, you be pricey. All right, for $59, this better do a lot. It says this non-foaming, fragrance-free cleansing mask is infused with rich minerals to detoxify and deep cleanse your face before bedtimes. Blah, blah, blah. Let my friend help me out here. Okay, remove makeup, wash your face, apply a small amount of the cleansing mask on your face. Use a soft circular motion to massage the mud until it melts into your skin. Leave the cleansing mask on your face and brush your teeth. Meanwhile, use warm water to... Okay. I'm not going to do that. However, I didn't see anything that said 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. So I can substitute brush my teeth while it's on my face with shampoo or condition my hair and try this out in the shower. I know, TMI, apologies. Next item. What is this? This is from a brand called Tint, and it's the, brightening eye cream. For some reason, it's shaped like a brow product, and I'm fairly certain last month or the month before, some people had a product from Tint, which was a brow product. I don't do my brows, and I was like, damn. But I'm excited now. All right, so what does the little card say? By the way, this retails for $24. For an eye cream, that is extremely affordable. So if I were to magically fall in love with this, definitely I would pick this up again. This isn't just an eye cream. This is a color correcting eye cream that doubles as both an eye cream and a concealer. Shut the front door. Look at that. Okay, it's got one of those metal applicator doohickey mabobs. Now, the only problem with these type, because I got a recent concealer from Huda that had the similar, is that when you squeeze, it just keeps on coming out. So, ooh. Okay, I don't know if that will pick up. That is very, oh yes, interesting. I don't want to say it feels sticky, but it doesn't feel like a concealer. It feels more like a serum, but with the color of the, oh duh, makes sense. It's both, 2-in-1. I am super excited to give this product a try. Right up my alley. Lazy Girl approved. Combine 2 steps in one. And this is 15 ml, which for any kind of eye product is pretty darn good. All right, next item. What is this? All right, so the Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner in black retails for $18. I know lots of people are like, enough with the liquid eyeliners. I'm in the same boat. However, it doesn't bother as much because I always wear liquid eyeliner. So, you know, I never have to buy them on my own. I just add to the pile from the beauty subscription box. There is plastic on it. I'm not going to swatch it today just because I do have 50 going at the moment, and that isn't as over-exaggerated as one might seem. All right, and on to the last item. I do believe was the one I selected. Come on, lighting. This here is the Dream So Big eyeshadow palette from Realher. Does come with a mirror. That is a lovely everyday neutrals Wago Warrior type of palette. What I don't know, do I already own this? Possibly. If I do, this will be set aside for a giveaway. And speaking of giveaways, if you haven't done so by now, please make sure you're subscribed, leave a comment, and like this video, and you will be entered in my 700 subscriber giveaway, which is right around the corner. All right, let's recap what came in this box. I got a Mineral-Infused cleansing mask, a water-resistant liquid eyeliner, a tinted and brightening eye cream, a peachy blush from Benefit Cosmetics, and a 9-pan eyeshadow palette. What are your thoughts? I think this is a pretty good box. I got 3 makeup items, a cleansing face care product, and then what I'm going to refer to as a hybrid concealer / under eye serum. Yes, please. I'm going to list the MSRP total, and let's see what the value of this box is. I have seen a few unboxing videos, and so far people have been underimpressed. I, for once, and it's usually every month I'm a little underimpressed. Is that a word, underimpressed? You know what I mean. I'm excited. This box didn't make me go wah, wah, at all. I think I will love and enjoy each and every product. Therein lies the difference, I think. When I have too many items in a box where it's either a shade I don't like, a product like powder and I don't powder, and it's like future giveaway. I love to share the love, but you know what I mean. If I'm paying for this out of my own pocket, I want to be able to use all 5 products. In this box, I will be able to use all 5 of the products. All right, enough rambling. One last thing. What is in this little itty bitty teeny weeny Boxycharm box? It has to be the charm item I purchased. Unless, I don't know, my birthday was a week ago. Does Boxycharm randomly send a birthday gift? Wouldn't that be nice? Hey, thank you for subscribing, doing free promotional content on your YouTube channel. Here's a birthday gift. No. Yes, it was the item I paid with my Charm Room points. This here is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. That was a lot of words. I have it in the shade Pearl. Granted, it's probably not going to be the correct color. Boxycharm only had, I want to say, like 3 colors to choose from. Maybe one more. In the bottle, it looks, well, let's do a swatch. By the way, this bottle is ginormous for a concealer. How many ml do you get? 15 ml. I want to say a normal concealer, maybe you get 8 grams? I don't know. I'm going to have to look that up. All right, so it has a kind of typical doe foot. I wouldn't say it's large, but it's not small. It's probably medium size. Smells like a concealer. Ooh, it's more on the orangey warm side, but light enough where, yes, I can use it. All right, leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts on said concealer. If you like it, you use it. If it's worth it, or if it sucks, guess what? I use charm points. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me the biggest favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.